Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need Google Workspace and appropriate admin or delegated rights. Once confirmed, start now. Create the shared drive by opening Drive, selecting Shared Drives and clicking New. Name it clearly to reflect purpose. Make sure you plan a shallow folder structure for quick access and set initial role assignments. Give at least one manager and one content manager to avoid lockouts. Once done, verify the shared drive appears in the left pane and proceed to add content or members without delay. You add members by opening the drive, manage members, and entering emails or groups. Choose roles deliberately because permissions cascade. Once members are set, build core folders, apply a naming convention, and move or upload files into their proper folders. Drag and drop speeds this up. Make sure to use shortcuts for shared copies instead of duplicating data, and when migrating personal files, transfer ownership or use Content Manager rights. Also, enable link sharing settings only at the required level to control access. Finish by configuring shared drive settings, control external sharing, retention rules, and enable metadata to improve search. Then sync critical folders with Drive for desktop so offline edits flow back automatically. Verify version history and confirm collaborators know role boundaries. Once done, audit access via the activity log and clean up obsolete members. If something goes wrong, for example files disappear, immediately check trash. Review member roles and the activity log, then restore or correct permissions to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.